Social media can help you network, build relationships, and advance your acting career. But when used incorrectly, it can make you look foolish and it can hurt your career. Today, I'll break down the biggest mistakes I see actors making on social media every single day. If you're brand new here, I'm Heidi Dean, and I teach you how to rock your social media, make more connections, and create the actor's life of your dreams. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you know when I've got a new video just for you. The first mistake I see actors making on social media is you treat your online relationships different than your offline relationships. In person, you'd never walk up to someone who you'd never met and say, "Hi, nice to meet you. Can you do me a favor?" But that's exactly what you're doing when you tweet or personal message a casting director asking them to look at your headshot, watch your reel, or go to your website. Or even worse, on Instagram, constantly tagging casting directors in photos that they're not even in. Online or off, good manners count. So build a relationship before asking for a favor. Mistake number 2, you're a spoiler. Don't broadcast about a role you've landed unless it's been announced or you've been given the thumbs up to do so. If you sign an NDA about the project at the audition, then you shouldn't be tweeting about it. It seems obvious, but I see actors doing it all the time. Once you're on set or in rehearsal, behind the scenes photos and videos are a great way to engage your fans and followers by giving them an insider look at your latest gig. But just because you snap it doesn't mean you'll post it right away. It's always better to be safe than sorry and wait so you don't give anything about the project away. Mistake number 3, you don't present your best self on social media. My mom was a first grade teacher for over 30 years. Yep, that's her. And yes, we're twins. Every morning after they'd say the Pledge of Allegiance, my mom would have her students repeat after her, "What you put out comes back to you." Your social media is a direct reflection of who you are and what you'll be like to work with in rehearsal or on set. So before you join those hot topic conversations on social media, I want you to think about those little first graders saying, "What you put out comes back to you." You don't have to engage with every argument you see in your feed. And I know this can be so difficult because when you're super passionate about something, it feels like it's your job to speak out. If you do say anything, make sure you speak about what you're for instead of what you're against. Then you'll still be able to use your voice and present your best self. That actor people want to get to know and collaborate with on their next project. Remember, what you put out comes back to you. Mistake number 4 is you buy followers. You've heard lots of followers will help get you cast, so you find the quick fix and you buy them. Fake followers don't add any value to your acting career because they're not real, no matter what the website tells you. If you're cast for your social numbers, it's because you bring an audience to the project. But whether it's 5,000 or 5 million, your follower count alone won't get you cast, but an engaged audience might. Plus, there are a ton of free tools that can verify whether an account has fake followers or not. So you better believe if someone's gonna invest money into your film or into casting you because of your follower count, they're gonna use one of these tools to find out if you're for real. People wanna work with people they know, like, and trust. Don't betray this trust by buying fake followers. You may ruin a valuable relationship. The last big mistake is not following the golden rule of social media. You don't tweet others the way you want to be tweeted. If you don't agree with someone, it's okay to unfriend or unfollow them. Or if it's an important industry relationship, just mute them in your settings so you won't see their post in your feed. Whatever you do, don't leave hateful comments or try to teach someone a lesson. Remember, tweet them the way you want to be tweeted and you'll be all right online and off. Now that you know what not to do on social media as an actor, let's get you rocking your social media right away. Here are a few videos that will help. I'll see you on social.